così mennera. Get up, stand up, come and throw your hands up. If you got the feeling, jump up to the ceiling. Uno sta parlando ma lei non paga l'affitto. L'ho presa negli occhi, ti prenderò scemo. Senti queste casse nel bagagliaio. Più rime divise una pizzeria. Salta su, salta su, salta su e scendi.
Have you seen my bag?
Hello, Moto.
The world's most impressive phone in your hands. What would it look like? Where would you take it? How would it feel in your hands? What would you do with it? Could you move things around in different windows? Could you multitask? I mean, really multitask. Now imagine how strong it feels and how light. Maybe it feels dreamy when you open it. Maybe the display is state of the art and the materials are just as advanced. Or maybe it just looks beautiful. Or perhaps you just take the perfect picture with it. With its cutting-edge camera system. Or maybe it's more specific. Maybe you'd capture more light and more colour than ever before. Maybe you take it and go out and film everything you can in Dolby Vision. Just to play it back in Dolby Vision later. But what's the point? What's the point of all that? Unless it also has a massive battery and super fast charging. Well, then you might just use it all day. Actually, I think if you imagine that phone, and it became a reality, you'd finally have a phone that can do everything you want. A phone that's truly open for everything.
Look at me. What's trying to do this here? Look at me.
Okay.
Motorola Razr reimagines what a phone can do with its pocket-friendly design. Motorola Razr is designed to spring open, snap shut, and adapt to your life on the go. I love this vegan leather finish. It's durable and soft to the touch. And it's so compact, I can carry it in the same hand as my coffee and my keys. I know you've been there. With Flex View, you can stand Motorola Razr on its own at multiple angles for new ways to capture and create. Now I can take selfies at the perfect angle or video chat with a friend completely hands-free. Check it out. The external display gives me a quick view of what I need to know. The text I just got, the song that just came on. So I can go about my day and not feel like I'm glued to my phone. But then when I open it up, I'm basically at the movie theater. It's got a massive 6.9-inch POLED display, and the 144Hz refresh rate makes gameplay fast and fluid. With the new Motorola Razr, everything that I capture looks sharp, thanks to the 64-megapixel ultra-high-res sensor with OIS and quad-pixel technology. And I can switch it to the ultra-wide lens to fit even more into the frame. Battery is life. So let's talk about battery life. You can go a full day and night on a single charge. When you need a boost, turbo power charging gives you hours of power in just minutes. Or you can enjoy the freedom of wireless charging. The new Motorola Razr gives you ultra-modern smartphone technology, packed into an old-school flip phone.